Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to remove auto login in Facebook from Google Chrome. So first of all, open your Facebook and click on Account, Settings and Privacy, Settings, click on Security and Login, click on Save Your Login Information and click on Remove Saved Login Information and click on Leave this page, and now click on the device you want to remove saved information and click on this cross icon, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.